Okay guys, so when you get to this part, as you see the big chipboard in the background, you have the mic in the middle, I believe, and the camera lens on this side. It's just a simple little twisty thing. I just kind of, if you just force it quite a bit, you can force it to break free from the glue that holds it in the right place. And then what you need to do is just kind of bolt it back on and then try and get the perfect view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bolt it back on quick, and maybe just with one bolt or so, and see if I can get that set up correctly. And here we have it actually bolted back onto the printer with the front panel off. And what I just want to do is see how well I can get a focus on the print, or on the print head, more like, most likely actually. Yeah, so let's just see how that goes. Okay, so what I want to do in the future is there's a little plastic bit above this, and that is actually this bit here. That is actually stopping the camera from being able to rotate perfectly upwards. What I'd like to do eventually is have this facing down pretty much like that, and then have this camera pointing up as high as it can, so I can get a bit further of a shot away. I could probably do that modification. I'm not going to do it right now. I might do it sometime in the future, probably off video, so it's not actually going to be on this video. But yeah, I'm just going to do that. It just requires me chopping it off pretty much. So yeah, I've got the focus set up now. It's going to have the tip right at the bottom of the video, because this is obviously an upside down camera, and I just have to flip it in post, which isn't very difficult anyway. Just do it in Premiere, just change rotation to 180 or whatever, and then I have the whole setup for that part. Up next I need to do the lighting, which is cool, which is going to be really interesting, and also really difficult probably. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that part yet. And it's going to require a lot of opening up of the 3D printer, so that should be fun. That's a weekend project, that's not a Wednesday evening project, which is what today is. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm actually going to leave it here. There's not much else I need to do for this part. I will show you a time lapse if I can get the printer to actually work. I'm having a couple of technical difficulties with the 3D printer at the moment, and that is just in the sense of it not doing anything that I want it to. I don't know if it's the filament again, which it could be, because it's very similar issues as per the last time, or if it, I don't know what it is, I don't know, I have no idea what it could be. But yeah, I've got some new filament anyway that I'm going to try out and see if that actually fixes it, and we'll see how it goes from here. So don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Twitter, that's @Nathan42, and thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and here's the time lapse.